Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 version on Xubuntu 24.04. But the process is same on all Xubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Xubuntu, that is Firefox. Open it, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See, at the time of installation, the latest release of the PostgreSQL server is 17.5. Click on download, then select Linux. Then select Ubuntu because we don't have this Ubuntu. So select Ubuntu. See here, the PostgreSQL M repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu like 24.04. Okay, so we can install on all Ubuntu versions. So we have to execute these commands to install PostgreSQL Server 17.5. Okay, so copy these commands one by one and install. Open terminal. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed both CA certificates and call. Okay, now import the repository signing key. Then copy this line, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now create the repository configuration file. So copy from this dot to release. Paste it, hit enter. Now copy this entire line. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. We have successfully updated. Control A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -17. And if you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give 15. If you want to install latest version, don't give any version number. Just hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 17. This is the latest version. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 17. And see here the default value is max connections to 100, shared buffer size to 128 megabytes, and these are the time zones. See, these are default values. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running and it is enabled. Okay, now connect to PostgreSQL server. Control A. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Also notice here, this is the version of the PSQL client, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server that we have installed, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5 on Xubuntu. Q to quit. Control it. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, that is the super user. First verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. You can also get the same list of users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, we have one user. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. We have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases /l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Or we can get the same by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Create database bank. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. Okay, to switch to database, we have to run the command /c or /connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table This typo, I forgot to give key. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and the owner of the table is Postgres. Let us verify the data. See, here I have given the wrong name. See, we don't have data. Let me rename this table. Text is alter table rename to customer. See, we have successfully renamed. See, before it was this one. Okay. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user. Now connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. Okay. So exit from the current session that we have connected by using Postgres. Backslash q is the command to exit. PSQL -h means host name, localhost, because PostgreSQL installed on this PC. -d Postgres -u must be caps. Then username is David. Enter. Then you have to give this password, whatever is there in singular double quotes. That is okay. Give the password. See, we have successfully logged in. Now verify the currently logged in users. Select current _ user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that we have created. \c is the command to switch to database. Now access the table that we have created. See, permission denied for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay. So exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Xubuntu 24.04. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from the current user. Then sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service started. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service stopped. Okay, you took it, control it. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. When it is stopped, sudo su -postgres PSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. So exit. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. Q to quit, control it. Now if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted 1 second ago. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbver on Linux operating systems. Then connect PostgreSQL from them. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 17.5 on Xubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.